It is like literally the most fun yet challenging yet rewarding thing to do. The more that you allow yourself to start journaling, that pen just gonna flow like Niagara. And it's okay if you skip a day, if you forget a day. This will change your journaling life. If you've been around longer than today, you've probably heard about journaling for mental health, but you're also thinking, okay, what does that look like for me and how do I get started with that? Be sure to keep watching to learn exactly how to journal for mental health and the one journaling idea you need to try. So let's start off with the basics. We are going to talk about what journaling means. Journaling simply means writing down your thoughts and feelings to understand them more clearly. So when it comes to journaling for mental health, there are so many different benefits that you can experience, such as reducing stress, improving your mood, strengthening your immune function, strengthening your emotional function, and keeping your memory sharp. So those are just 5 of the many benefits of journaling for mental health. The most important thing that you want to keep in mind is to start where you are. It takes time to learn a new habit. One of the ways that you can start journaling for your mental health is to do a brain dump. So a brain dump is literally what it sounds like, y'all. Everything that you are thinking, everything that you are feeling, you want to write it down. Don't think about how it sounds. Don't think about, oh, I'm being too judgy, or oh, that was so hard. Yeah, we ain't doing none of that, okay? Just write down everything in your mind. It'll help you to be more clear-headed and it'll free up that mental space that you can use for things to be more productive. The second way that you can try journaling for mental health is to do topic journaling, which is pretty self-explanatory, kittens. So you literally will pick a topic that you want to write about. So say you want to write about your birthday or your day at work or maybe your dreams. You would literally focus on that topic and write about it in your journal. So please be lenient with yourself. If you literally are thinking, I don't know what to write about, it's okay to write in your journal, I don't know what to write about. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm getting confused. I'm getting stuck. I promise you guys, the more that you allow yourself to start journaling, that pen just gonna flow like Niagara, okay? You ain't gonna know what done happened. You're gonna look back 5 pages later and be like, well, dang, I guess I knew something. I got it rolling somehow. So I would encourage you guys to also try out topic journaling. So the next kind of journaling that you can try for mental health is to do a daily log. So literally once you get home or once you get a little breaky break, whatever the case may be, start to journal about your day. So whatever events that may have happened, however you may have been feeling, you can talk about the highs and the lows of your day. You could just do a comparison with the previous day, whatever way that you can actually journal about your day-to-day life. Go ahead and try that out for journaling for mental health. And it's okay if you skip a day, if you forget a day. There have been countless times, y'all, where I was supposed to journal and I forgot, but I just gotta keep moving. You know, I can't cry over this spilled milk. Okay, I got these cookies, but I ain't got no milk. The milk is spoiled, but that's okay. All that to say, do not be hard on yourself when it comes to journaling. So the 4th way that you can try journaling for mental health is to do a gratitude log. So a gratitude log more so focuses on the positive as opposed to the negatives about your life. So doing a gratitude log will help you to see from a positive perspective great moments in your life, things that you can celebrate, things that you can be thankful for, things that make you happy, and things that you can appreciate. So it really helps to just take your mind off of worrying, take your mind off of feeling down, take your mind off of a bad day, and to really focus on those happy moments in your life. So before I share the one journaling idea you need to try for journaling for your mental health, I would like to encourage you guys to subscribe below to be a part of the Kitten family. So y'all, this one journaling idea, I promise it is a whole game changer, okay? I ain't talking about the PS5, none of them things. I mean, literally, this will change your journaling life. So this one journaling idea is to try out journaling prompts. I have them all over my channel. Check them out in my bullet journal playlist. Journaling prompts are basically a set subject that you journal about. So say you want to journal about self-esteem, literally you can type in journaling prompts for self-esteem and you'll see different websites that come up and they literally have different questions and exercises for you to answer in your journal based around that subject. It is like literally the most fun yet challenging yet rewarding thing to do for your journaling journey. So I would encourage you kittens to try out journaling prompts. If you haven't, y'all ain't gonna be let down. Let me just say that, okay? So I really hope this video was super helpful for you guys. Please be sure again to subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you guys next week, and I love you all. Adios, kittens.